So Nobis A. Final hit here at Iriga City.
Okay, go ahead.
15, second part is up.
Ayan na, binitawan na. Wow, host got the whole shot. Oy! Una. Hi. Whole shot, Nigel Torre. Christopher Mercado.
Line, power and duro to the waiting area. Power and duro to the
Nigel Torre.
Alright, last score. 30 points na lang po tayo for Power and duro.
So it's Nigel Torre on the lead, followed by Christopher Mercado. Wow. It's Mercado on the lead, Nigel Torre on second. Wow. Derek Rivera. So still on the lead, Mercado. Wow.
Please prepare na po.
It's Mercado on the lead. Wide flag, wide flag, wide flag, wide flag. Wow.
Maraming salamat po.
Tika Nigel Torre.
Pumilion Sports, Honorable Mayor Tito, maraming salamat din po. Siyempre din po sa ating Engineer Solomon po, thank you so much po.
Baby Rat on the lead. Wow. Nigel Torre on second. It's Sean Gamboa on fifth.
Last lap na po tayo for the
Last lap, last lap. Shaq Regala. Checkered flag for Mercado. Checkered. Second, it's Nigel Torre.
Alright, congratulations po to all the winners for the Nobis A category.
Checkered. Sean Gamboa on 5th. Rivera on 6th. Checkered.